Let us begin by taking a trip down memory lane and relive some of your childhood. Remember how innocent we used to be. Everything in the world was ours for the taking, and things were so much simpler. As we grew older, we went to schools and made a lot of new friends. With them, life got more fun, and learning new things was very enjoyable. We had what seemed like an endless world of toys for us to indulge in. Money seemed to only be an excuse our parents gave us to stop us from buying too much. But nevertheless, we had a lot of fun playing games and playing with our toys. Over the years, we grew up. Some of us got our bones broken, some of us got our hearts broken. We still tried to have fun amidst everything life was throwing at us. Eventually, it became harder and harder to have fun, to be living as kids without a care in the world. We started managing our own finances, and somehow before we all know it, our money are all gone and we have no idea where it went. Schools didn't teach us how to manage our money properly. Work started to pile up to the extent of drowning and suffocating one. Sometimes, it became impossible to have fun and manage work at the same time. One of them had to go, and many of us chose to stop having fun. Stress started to overwhelm people, and adulting is tough. No one taught us how to do adulting, and somehow, everyone else seems to be doing it so well. Since when did life get so hard and complicated? This is why we are here. We are here to simplify your lives. Hi, we are Ducky Momo. Welcome to our application. This application is designed to make adulting simpler and more convenient. First, let us sign up for an account. This is where you sign up for an account. And you can very easily sign up with your full name, email address, as well as your preferred password. Once you have signed up for an account, we can return to the login page to log in. Here, if you are an iPhone user, you can autofill your email address and password, making it very convenient. Once you are logged in, you will gain access to the main page. This is the main page of our application. We wanted to include an uplifting message in the middle of our main page, as we wanted to, in our little ways, improve the mental health of all our users using our application. Everyone deserves to be happy, and a few kind words won't harm. Let's first explore the expense tracker feature. Here, you can see the total expenses being tracked at the top, as well as a breakdown of the total expenditure in each categories. Let's try this out by adding a new expense log. Let's say we just had sushi, and it costs about $8. This UI makes it very straightforward to log the expenses without much hassle. Great! Now it's shown on the app. Let's go ahead and add a few more logs. Let's say we just took a bus with a fare of $2 and bought a shirt afterwards that cost $17. Now, you can better see that our application reflects how much is being spent in each category on the top right hand corner. This feature is designed with the intention of helping us all better manage our finances and be more aware of our spending habits. Let's now move on to the other feature of our application. First, we press the back button to go back to the main page, and from there, we access the to-do list feature. This is the to-do list. To get started, press the plus button to add a task to be done. When you're done with the task, you can very simply tap on the icon next to the task to remove it from the to-do list. These are the main two features of our application. Our application is designed to simplify day-to-day living and help us all better manage our lives in terms of duty, commitments, as well as our finances. This is Ducky Momo, an application that exists because we believe adulting should not be so complicated. Moving forward, we seek to even further make logging expenses convenient. This is by making it automatic when we use our phones to pay or pay with someone. When we pay using our phone, we aim to have the app lock down the expenses based on the expenditure value and type as well. This way, we don't have to go out of our way to log our expenses, and keeping track of our expenditure will be easier than ever. Eventually, our end goal for expenditure tracking will definitely be to work in tandem with the banking service of your preference. This way, we can do much more, including suggesting a budget, suggesting food to eat based off your budget, etc. All this can be achieved using artificial intelligence as well as machine learning. Together with Ducky Momo, let's relive the simpler days of our childhood today.